Hello, this is a video tutorial on how to install and start the ChemML 0.8 Jupyter Notebook GUI using the instructions available on PyPy. I'm using the default Anaconda shell, and in order to save some time, I've already done all the necessary downloads and will simply be running through the steps. So to start, you're going to want to create an environment specifically for ChemML. So we're going to go conda create, name it whatever you want. As I've said, I've already created an environment, so I'm going to go no, but normally you want yes. Activate your environment. Go conda install, C, conda forge, ID kit, and open Babel. Give that a second to run. At this point, we'll do pip install ChemML. Bringing all the downloads along with ChemML. I like to move into the ChemML folder, keep things neater. And then start Jupyter Notebook. You should open a new Jupyter tab in your browser, like so. Create a new notebook. And then to start the GUI, we simply do from ChemML.wrapper notebook import ChemML notebook UI equals ChemML notebook. That. And the GUI should start right up.